Hello! Welcome back to AI Kingdom. I am your royal host, AI Princess, your guide to the world of free AI tools that help you create, grow, and shine online, no subscriptions, no hidden fees. If you love discovering completely free AI platforms and learning step-by-step how to use them, then you're definitely in the right place. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video with your fellow creators because everyone deserves a piece of the AI magic. All right, today I am showing you something absolutely exciting: how to create viral animation videos with YouTube AI right on your mobile phone. Yes, you heard that right. YouTube has introduced a built-in AI video generator, and it's completely free to use. Watch till the end because I am going to show you some hidden, amazing features that no one has discovered. Let's jump right in. Step 1, open your YouTube app on your mobile phone. Step 2, tap on the AI tab located right next to the soundbar. Step 3, wait a few seconds for the tools to load. You will now see options to create a video, generate an image, or even change backgrounds. All these options are powered by YouTube's AI. Step 4, you can type your own text to video or text to image prompt, or simply pick one of YouTube AI's smart suggestions. And before we continue, Royals, make sure to like this video, drop a comment, and share it to help more creators discover free AI power. Here is a quick bonus tip for you. YouTube AI gives you up to 4 unique suggestions for every prompt. Pick the one that stands out, click generate, and boom, your video is ready. But wait, there is more. You can generate more images and combine them into one video right inside the YouTube app. Isn't that amazing? Yes, you can generate, edit, and polish your videos all in one place. No external tools needed. Once you're happy with your video, you can upload and post it immediately or schedule it to go post later. And the best part, you can download your generated video directly to your phone. And there you have it, Royals, your complete guide on how to create viral AI animation videos using YouTube's brand new AI tool. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more powerful, free AI tutorials every week. Thank you so much for watching till the end. You are officially part of the AI Royal family now. Until next time, I am AI Princess. My slogan is, create smart, create free. Together, let us rule the AI world one creation at a time.